Wait, that's it! When astronauts go into outer space, they wear special spacesuits.
It does?
To keep them from breathing air that might harm them.
Oh.
So we'll rocket Dave into outer space!
Yeah!
Or we could just put him in a spacesuit. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect! You're good to go! That looks great, Dave! You look just like a real astronaut!
Yeah, you do. Wow!
Are you sneezing in there?
Great job!
Okay.
Stop Dave sneezing! Yeah!
Yay!
Now let's see if you can fix voicemail!
Hopefully this works this time. It better work. He got it, he got it.
We have a problem. I don't think this is gonna work.
What?
It looks like it's hard to fix things when you're in an astronaut suit.
Yeah, and Dave can't keep wearing this suit forever. We're gonna have to find another way to stop Dave sneezing. Yeah.
But how?
We can't keep what he's allergic to away from his nose. But maybe we could keep what he's allergic to away from him. That's it. We need to figure out what Dave's allergic to.
And then we'll get rid of it.
Great thinking, guys. Let's